Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the carbohydrate in BSc semester 5, paper number 2, 502, that is called Organic Chemistry and Spectroscopy. The unit number 2, that is called carbohydrate. First of all, the carbohydrates. What is carbohydrate? We can say that the first of the question is introduction of carbohydrate. Introduction of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are such a material for into the carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen molecule are required in that series. Carbohydrates are most abundant biomolecule belonging to class of organic compound found in all living organism on the earth. Most abundant biomolecules such as protein, lipids, etc. Each year, more than 100 billion metric tons of CO2, carbon dioxide, and H2O, water molecule, are converted into the cellulose. Cellulose, it is the one type of polysaccharide. It is the classification of carbohydrate can be divided four major category. First of all, monosaccharide. Second one, disaccharide. Third one, oligosaccharide, and fourth one, polysaccharide. Cellulose is an example of the polysaccharide molecule of carbohydrate. More than H2O and CO2 are converted into the cellulose and other plant product due to photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process is a energy are required level. Living matter is largely made up of biomolecule, consist of water and complex polymer of amino acids, lipids, nucleotides, and carbohydrate series. And carbohydrates are most and remain associated with the three other polymers mentioned. Three other polymers are mentioned. Carbohydrates are linked with amino acid polymers, protein forming glycoprotein, and with lipid as a glycolipids. Carbohydrate linked with amino acid polymers, protein forming glycoprotein, and lipid are also known as glycolipids. Carbohydrates are present in DNA, that is called deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribose pentose sugar and nucleic acid are synthesis by nucleotide and nucleoside molecule present in RNA and DNA, which are essentially polymer of D-ribose phosphate and 2-deoxyribose phosphate, which purine string as well as pyrimidine string. These are attached at the C1 reducing position. Then carbohydrates are the widely diverse group of compounds that are ubiquitous in nature. More than 75% of the dry of plant world is carbohydrate in nature, particular cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Carbohydrates comprise a comprehensive group of naturally occurring substances which include innumerable sugar and sugar derivative as well as high molecular weight of carbohydrate that is called polysaccharide series molecule. Polysaccharide series molecule always a high molecular weight of the carbohydrate like starch and cellulose in plant and glycogen in animal. Starch and cellulose also present in the plant series and glycogen in present in the animals. Polysaccharide molecules is composed of a large number of group of a large number of sugar like units. Carbohydrates are of great importance in biology. Carbohydrates are great importance in biology method. The unique reaction which make life possible on Earth, namely the assimilation of green plant producing sugar, which originated not only on carbohydrate, indirectly also all component of living organism. Living organism that is called microorganism. Microorganisms such as insect and plant living organism. The definition of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are content of the polyhydroxyaldehyde as well as ketone group are also present in this series. Carbohydrates are present group polyhydroxyketone and aldehyde ketones and their derivatives. The word carbohydrate include polymer. Polymer, that is the one type of monomer increasing series level, that is known as polymer. Include polymer and other compounds synthesized from polyhydroxylated aldehyde and ketone group are also present in this molecule. They can be synthesized in laboratory in living cells. They can be synthesized in the laboratory or in living cells. Simple carbohydrate or the entire carbohydrates family may also called be saccharide. Simple carbohydrate series are also known as a saccharide series. In general, carbohydrate have the empirical formula CH2ON. The term generated from carbohydrate and hydrate through some contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur molecules. Chemically, carbohydrates are molecules that are composed of carbon along with hydrogen and oxygen, usually in the same ratio as that found in water molecules. That is, the structure are divided into the water molecule and carbohydrate bond at carbon and hydrogen bond and oxygen bond. HS bond can be van der Waals hydrogen bond. In this, the structure are found. They originated as product of photosynthesis and endothermic reductive condensation, means two molecules are required in this series. Of carbon dioxide requires light energy and the pigment of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll are a green color pigment of the plant. That is the major color of stem and they found into the plant organism. The reaction of photosynthesis, first of all, N CO2 level, that is the N number of carbon dioxide molecule plus H2 are required plus energy, and they given the normal chemical formula. It is the general chemical formula of the carbohydrate CnH2nOn plus NO2. Thank you for watching this video.